Welcome to my YouTube channel Competitive Examinations World with Sandhya in daily dose of general awareness. Global affairs and geopolitics. US strikes on Iran. The US launched massive bunker-busting airstrikes at 3 Iranian nuclear sites including the Fordo facility near Qom using GBU-57 bombs from B-2 bombers. Officials describe it as a spectacular military success that completely and totally obliterated the sites, though full damage assessment is pending. Middle East on edge. Gulf states have raised their security alerts, urging restraint. Iran reportedly launched 2 waves of missiles toward Israel following the strikes. Russian and IMF reaction. Russia condemned the strikes as an charter violation and warned the world could descend into chaos, referencing potential economic gains for Russia if Iran blocks the Strait of Hormuz. The IMF cautioned markets, linking the attacks to a spike in oil prices and disruptions in Middle Eastern airlines. NATO and diplomacy. NATO summit looms. As tensions grow, the Netherlands hosts the 2025 NATO summit in The Hague June 24 to 25, where key discussions include increasing defense spending above 2–3.5% of GDP. Canadian PM in Europe. Canada's Prime Minister Mark Carney is in Brussels and The Hague June 22 to 25 to attend EU and NATO summit events. Climate and environment. Europe heatwave. A heatwave since mid-June struck major parts of Europe. A peak of 39.9 C was recorded in Tiamélant on June 21. France's nuclear electricity grid is at risk due to warming water levels. Japan and science. Volcanic activity in Japan. On June 22, Mount Shinmodaike in Kyushu erupted for the first time since 2018. A volcanic alert level 2 remains in place. Science milestone. This date marks the 350th anniversary of the Royal Observatory in Greenwich. Health and awareness. ALS awareness revived. The Ice Bucket Challenge trend is making a comeback to boost ALS funding, early diagnosis, and community support. Tech and cybersecurity. Massive data breach. Over 16 billion password records leaked from platforms like Apple, Google, Facebook, one of the largest breaches ever. Users are urged to update and secure accounts. Culture and sports. Cricket update. England vs India test at Headingley. England closed a small first innings deficit and India are batting second, with the match poised heading into day 4. Birthday alert. South Indian superstar Thalapathy Vijay celebrated his birthday on June 22, with fans and team launching digital greetings, teasers, and fan events. Royal presence. King Charles III and Queen Camilla attended Royal Ascot on June 21 to 22. Buckingham Palace and Ascot were buzzing with royal activity. Space and exploration. NASESRO Axiom 4 launch. A joint mission featuring Axiom Space, NASA, SpaceX, and ISRO crew includes India's Captain Shubhanshu Shukla and Peggy Whitson was scheduled for June 22. That's all for the day. Namaste.